85 multiple choice questions. 1. Hemisphere. A. Release of pressure. B. Half of the Earth. C. To ignite a retrorocket. D. Strong dislike. 2. Polychrome. A. Many-colored. B. Disastrous. C. Underground. D. Colorless. 3. Thwart. A. Prevent, frustrate. B. Hasty, not thorough. C. Horrible, frightful. D. Bent forward. 4. Subversive. A. Underground. B. Something which gives help or advantage. C. Intended to undermine or overthrow. D. To insert between other things. 5. Sanction. A. Permission, support. B. To wander aimlessly. C. Release of pressure. D. Relating to the land. 6. Subterranean. A. Many-colored. B. To weaken. C. Intended to undermine or overthrow. D. Underground. 7. Translate. A. Very short electromagnetic wave. B. To put into a different language. C. The science of population changes. D. To waver, to sway indecisively. 8. Rebuke. A. To lessen. B. To scold. C. To cancel. D. Clothing. 9. Vacillate. A. To gather, to acquire. B. To pollute, to corrupt. C. To waver, to sway indecisively. D. To stray from the main subject. 10. Liaison. A. Legal. B. Clothing. C. Coax. D. Link. 11. Abhor. A. To hate. B. To avoid. C. Cleanse. D. To cancel. 12. Digress. A. To stray from the main subject. B. To insert between other things. C. To speak against, to say the opposite. D. To regard with scorn. 13. Attire. A. Cautious. B. To scold. C. To lessen. D. Clothing. 14. Patricide. A. Act of killing one's father. B. Possible, able to be done. C. To waver, to sway indecisively. D. The front of a building. 15. Cursory. A. Half of the earth. B. Hasty, not thorough. C. Interprets the laws. D. To regard with scorn. 16. Ambidextrous. A. An introduction to a speech or piece of writing. B. Feelings of pity and sorrow for someone else's misfortune. C. The use of largely automatic equipment in a system of manufacturing or other production process. D. Able to use both hands equally well, very skillful, deceitful, hypocritical. 17. Chronological. A. Relating to the land. B. Intended to undermine or overthrow. C. A political system in which the supreme power lies in a body of citizens who can elect people to represent them. D. Arranged in order of time. 18. Judicial. A. Intended to undermine or overthrow. B. Interprets the laws. C. Not typical. D. To ignite a retrorocket. 19. Geopolitics. A. To speak against, to say the opposite. B. A person who thinks differently from other people, a person who does the opposite of what is expected. C. Measurements that evaluate results to determine whether a project is meeting its goals. D. Study of government and its policies as affected by physical geography. 20. Facade. A. To wander aimlessly. B. To pollute, to corrupt. C. To regard with scorn. D. The front of a building. 21. Solvent. A. The science of population changes. B. The substance in which the solute dissolves. C. To stray from the main subject. D. A harsh, discordant mixture of sounds. 22. Feasible. A. To ignite a retrorocket. B. Possible, able to be done. C. Touchable. D. Moving in a clumsy or awkward way. 23. Democracy. A. Act of killing one's father. B. A political system in which the supreme power lies in a body of citizens who can elect people to represent them. C. Story of a person's life written by another person. D. A person who thinks differently from other people. A person who does the opposite of what is expected. 24. Geography. A. Half of the earth. B. Study of the earth. C. Hasty, not thorough. D. To ignite a retrorocket. 25. Futile. A. Thoughtful. B. Useless. C. Disguise. D. To lessen. 26. Pensive. A. Touchable. B. To cancel. C. Thoughtful. D. To imitate. 27. Chronicle. A. History. B. Colorless. C. Cut short. D. Incorrect. 28. Viscous. A. To cancel. B. Thoughtful. C. To regard with scorn. D. Thick, sticky. 29. Incognito. A. Touchable. B. Disguise. C. To imitate. D. Aware. 30. Garner. A. Hasty, not thorough. B. To insert between other things. C. To pollute, to corrupt. D. To gather, to acquire. 31. Calamitous. A. Disguise. B. Colorless. C. Thick, sticky. D. Disastrous. 32. Contradict. A. Intended to undermine or overthrow. B. To speak against, to say the opposite. C. Bossy, domineering and arrogant. D. A person who thinks differently from other people. A person who does the opposite of what is expected. 33. Prologue. A. act of killing one's father. B. A speech, passage, or event coming before the main speech or event. C. Study of government and its policies as affected by physical geography. D. Something which gives help or advantage. 34 V. A. To imitate. B. To avoid. C. To compete. D. Touchable. 35. Sympathy. A. To reduce the value of one currency in terms of other currencies. B. Feelings of pity and sorrow for someone else's misfortune. C. An introduction to a speech or piece of writing. D. To gain or receive good results from something. 36. Acquit. A. To adjust or change to suit conditions. B. Feeling or showing little emotion. C. To stray from the main subject. D. To find not guilty of a fault or crime. 37. Antipathy. A. Thick, sticky. B. Sharing an edge or boundary, touching. C. To weaken. D. Strong dislike. 38. Abate. A. To hate. B. To lessen. C. Useless. D. Colorless. 39. Adapt. A. To gain or receive good results from something. B. To adjust or change to suit conditions. C. Feeling or showing little emotion. D. Something which gives help or advantage. 40. Biography. A. Moving in a clumsy or awkward way. B. Strong dislike. C. Story of a person's life written by another person. D. To gain or receive good results from something. 41. Ungainly. A. To put into a different language. B. Moving in a clumsy or awkward way. C. Sharing an edge or boundary, touching. D. Feeling or showing little emotion. 42. Simulate. A. To cancel. B. Strong dislike. C. To imitate. D. To put into a different language. 43. Evade. A. To avoid. B. To lessen. C. To hate. D. To scold. 44. Cacophony. A. Sharing an edge or boundary, touching. B. A harsh, discordant mixture of sounds. C. Very short electromagnetic wave. D. To waver, to sway indecisively. 45. Microwave. A. To ignite a retrorocket. B. The science of population changes. C. To insert between other things. D. Very short electromagnetic wave. 46. Contrarian. A. A person who thinks differently from other people. A person who does the opposite of what is expected. B. Sharing an edge or boundary, touching. C. To speak against, to say the opposite. D. A harsh, discordant mixture of sounds. 47. Wary. A. Arrogant. B. Cautious. C. To avoid. D. Cut short. 48. Terrestrial. A. To ignite a retrorocket. B. Feeling or showing little emotion. C. Relating to the land. D. To gather, to acquire. 49. Haughty. A. Ordinary. B. Cut short. C. Clothing. D. Arrogant. 50. Retrograde. A. Backward. B. Many-colored. C. Cut short. D. Colorless. 51. Ghastly. A. Permission, support. B. To wander aimlessly. C. To gather, to acquire. D. Horrible, frightful. 52. Truncate. A. Cut short. B. Colorless. C. To put into a different language. D. Thoughtful. 53. Cajole. A. Coax. B. Link. C. The front of a building. D. Legal. 54. Devalue. A. To gain or receive good results from something. B. To reduce regulations. C. To reduce the value of one currency in terms of other currencies. D. To pollute, to corrupt. 55. Deregulate. A. To put into a different language. B. To reduce regulations. C. To reveal guilt or make someone appear guilty. D. Release of pressure. 56. Preamble. A. Feeling or showing little emotion. B. An introduction to a speech or piece of writing. C. To gain or receive good results from something. D. Possible, able to be done. 57. Disdain. A. To regard with scorn. B. To reduce regulations. C. To pollute, to corrupt. D. Horrible, frightful. 58. Metrics. A. Hasty, not thorough. B. To gain or receive good results from something. C. Measurements that evaluate results to determine whether a project is meeting its goals. D. A person who thinks differently from other people. A person who does the opposite of what is expected. 59. Demography. A. Story of a person's life written by another person. B. To put into a different language. C. Intended to undermine or overthrow. D. The science of population changes. 60. Ultimate. A. Touchable. B. To weaken. C. Not typical. D. Final. 61. Rescind. A. To weaken. B. Thick, sticky. C. To cancel. D. Touchable. 62. Undermine. A. Disguise. B. To scold. C. To lessen. D. To weaken. 63. Purge. A. Clothing. B. To avoid. C. Cleanse. D. Ordinary. 64. Opulent. A. Ordinary. B. Final. C. Wealthy. D. Cleanse. 65. Meander. A. To gather, to acquire. B. Horrible, frightful. C. To wander aimlessly. D. To pollute, to corrupt. 66. Interject. A. To waver, to sway indecisively. B. To ignite a retrorocket. C. To insert between other things. D. To speak against, to say the opposite. 67. Achromatic. A. Many-colored. B. Backward. C. History. D. Colorless. 68. Leverage. A. The science of population changes. B. Something which gives help or advantage. C. To speak against, to say the opposite. D. To gain or receive good results from something. 69. Tangible. A. Thoughtful. B. Not typical. C. Touchable. D. To imitate. 70. Peripheral. A. To insert between other things. B. Relating to the land. C. On the edge, not important. D. The science of population changes. 71. Apathetic. A. Moving in a clumsy or awkward way. B. To insert between other things. C. To waver, to sway indecisively. D. Feeling or showing little emotion. 72. Benefit. A. To insert between other things. B. To reduce the value of one currency in terms of other currencies. C. To gain or receive good results from something. D. To ignite a retrorocket. 73. Retrofire. A. To ignite a retrorocket. B. To speak against, to say the opposite. C. Possible, able to be done. D. Very short electromagnetic wave. 74. Mundane. A. To scold. B. To cancel. C. Final. D. Ordinary. 75. Defile. A. To wander aimlessly. B. To pollute, to corrupt. C. Horrible, frightful. D. To gather, to acquire. 76. Contiguous. A. The science of population changes. B. Sharing an edge or boundary, touching. C. To gain or receive good results from something. D. Strong dislike. 77. Cognizant. A. Disguise. B. Aware. C. Legal. D. Backward. 78. Incriminate. A. To waver, to sway indecisively. B. To reduce regulations. C. To reveal guilt or make someone appear guilty. D. To speak against, to say the opposite. 79. Atypical. A. Strong dislike. B. Not typical. C. Cut short. D. Colorless. 80. Legitimate. A. Link. B. Wealthy. C. Touchable. D. Legal. 81. Stooped. A. To wander aimlessly. B. Clothing. C. Ordinary. D. Bent forward. 82. Decompress. A. Relating to the land. B. Release of pressure. C. Prevent, frustrate. D. Half of the earth. 83. Automation. A. Feeling or showing little emotion. B. Feelings of pity and sorrow for someone else's misfortune. C. Measurements that evaluate results to determine whether a project is meeting its goals. D. The use of largely automatic equipment in a system of manufacturing or other production process. 84. Overbearing. A. Bossy, domineering and arrogant. B. Feeling or showing little emotion. C. To stray from the main subject. D. A harsh, discordant mixture of sounds. 85. Erroneous. A. Disastrous. B. Incorrect. C. Colorless. D. Cut short.